Welcome back, everybody. Today we're talking about keep it simple urinary tract infections. Now this one is by a special request. One of our viewers shared that she has struggled with these over the years, and if you have as well, there are a number of basic things you should know. Those of you who haven't had one often and just have had your first experience are aware that they're terribly painful. Fortunately, these days they're also easily remedied. Now, urinary tract infections can be gotten by men and women alike. They come from very simple things, anything from not drinking enough water to, I hate to say it, but it's true, urinating into water, like into a pool, into a hot tub, into a lake. Anytime you go to the bathroom, just before your body finishes that process, the outside liquid, if you're in a tub or if you're in a lake, can come back up into the system, and that's when you start to get an infection. Women can often get them by not urinating after sex, so it's really important that you keep yourself healthy in this fashion. The nice thing is that they're easy to fix. If you find you're getting a urinary tract infection, how can you know? Very simply, you'll start to feel burning sensation when you go to the bathroom. It will intensify as time goes on. If it's a serious one, it can go from 0 to 60 in one day, even a few hours. If it gets really out of hand and you ignore the pain, you'll actually start to see blood in the urine. It's very serious. You don't want to mess around with this. So, what are the fixes? You'll hear some folks say that you just need to drink a little more water. Other folks will say just drink a lot of cranberry juice. I don't know about you, but I have never found that just bringing more liquids into my body was enough. Oftentimes when I have the onset of the bacteria, it's so fast for me that I need to go see a doctor. So the next step, once you've noticed that you have the pain, is to go see your doctor. Now, if you can't get into your doctor right away, I highly recommend going to the drugstore and checking out products like Uristat, which help with the pain of urinary tract infections, help you muscle through until you can get in to see your physician. And if it's really bad, for example, you're already experiencing extreme discomfort or urinating with blood, you need to get yourself to the emergency room or to the urgent care. Now, the doctor will typically prescribe you Bactrim. If you haven't had Bactrim before, the generic name is trimethoprim. I'm so sorry, but this is the same thing as the common company name Bactrim. It's a tablet, a pretty good sized tablet actually. It's usually one a day or 1 or 2 a day. And this one is the Bactrim generic called DS, which is to say double strength. Its numbers are 800 /160. Now the regular strength is 480. I'm telling you, there's no point in messing around with a lower dosage. If you're seriously sick enough to get to the doctor, have them use the Bactrim DS. Pretty much that's all doctors use anymore. The question now, how long do I take it? Used to be those of us back in the day would have to take urinary tract medicines like Bactrim for days and days, sometimes up to 2 weeks. Side effects included terrible taste in the mouth, as well as urinary experiences that look like bright orange tang in the toilet bowl. That doesn't happen so much anymore. Bactrim today will allow you to just have normal experience in your body, but does get rid of the infection. It seems to be that studies are finding 1 or 2 strong double dose pills over the course of 1 day, up to 2 is all you need. So talk to your doctor, because it's not this long drawn out suffering anymore. Thank goodness. One of the great experiences of Western medicine. We don't have to suffer with this so much anymore. I'm glad you joined me for Keep It Simple Urinary Tract Infections. Make sure you keep your eyes out for the symptoms. Try to keep yourself healthy. If you have a tendency for these, drink extra water. Try not to use soaps in your private areas as best you can, and always urinate after sex. Good for both genders actually. And never urinate into a pool or a lake. That's just inviting trouble. Kind of gross as well. So thanks for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel, share with a friend, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.